Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove ads from Yahoo Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and head to the Yahoo Mail login page. Once you're inside your inbox, focus on the right-hand side of the screen where most Yahoo ads appear. To remove an ad, look for a small X icon or three dots usually located at the top corner of the ad. Click it and you'll see a few options such as dislike this ad or stop seeing this ad. Selecting either of these helps reduce the frequency of similar ads appearing in your mailbox. This tells Yahoo that you're not interested in certain ad types, making your experience more personalized and less cluttered. While this doesn't completely eliminate all ads, regularly using these options will noticeably cut down their presence, giving your inbox a much cleaner look. And that's it. So that is how you can remove ads from Yahoo Mail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.